and a taxi me run, private one vehicle. And the taxi driver there, one man complained, we have to change 3 reckon. Well, I don't remember exact time when frame I said, but since recently, and it cost him over 100,000. So I know exactly what I go on and what them feel. You understand? We need more. Yeah man, we need more. We don't just need word amount. No more talk, no more. We're tired of this.
Action.
You understand?
Hold it for action.
Yeah.
Hold it for action.
Like I said, we need to see them come out and do what they need to do. You understand? The work, you come every day and you make promises. Oh, we are going to change because whatever happen. The other day, the minister, whatever you want to be passed through, and the remarks they pass is that it is the worst you have seen a road, and because this road has been neglected for over how much years. Since you see the road neglect and you come through, why you not put in place some farmer up? We need patches. You understand? Resurface a part of the road then, make the people them can see exactly what them are road for. Or what them are going to vote for. Because they can guarantee you 3/4 vote or so when the next election are called. It will be difficult for them to push forward. May I be honest with you. And they need the young people them at the end of the day. So let us see what they have to do. They can't fulfill them promises this urgent. They can't fulfill them promises, they want to know what they want.
We decide to take to the street today to block the road. And if we don't get the answer by the latest this evening, the road is going to block straight this week. Non-stop. The power stars are out. Gas loaded and we out. And we're going to continue to block the road if we don't get the answer. We need road. Road we need. And we want it right now.
What the man say one?
Road!
Oh, this is the car.
If it burn, if it does.
I want to hear again. There's some fire.
To be honest with you, for now, I believe we need a new road. Based on what we're seeing, the condition of the road, we continue to patch, it will only get worse in the rainy season. So it's best for us, we know how it stays, but it is best for us to give them a proper road. They have waited on us and we're serving the people, so let us represent the people to the best of our ability.
So when do you start blocking the street?
Well, I was told from around 1 o'clock this morning.
I realize that the people are hungry. So I mean,
they are irate, and to be honest with you, it's not good to block the road because a lot of school has been closed. The Caledonia Primary has to close its door. Mom McLeod has to close its door. Walking from Frame Road into Highgate with students from Mom McLeod this morning was a horrible journey for me. The students were exhausted, but they were determined to go to school. We have to represent the people. They put us there, so let us represent them.
The MP got Jalistan. The MP got Jalistan. We now have seen him. We never doing it. The MP, we don't know him. Nobody don't know him.
Do a road, but I can't elderly never go somewhere.
We want to talk from now. We want to turn people if you come there, come see the road. If he's still the MP, no listen to me. He doesn't despite me. He said he can't be going to the hospital.
Yeah, me, my brother.
MP despite the road now.